For all products that will be used in today's video, the Affirm Sensitive Scalp Relaxer System with Neutralizing Shampoo, Olaplex number 1, Olaplex number 2, Olaplex number 5, and Olaplex number 6. The Wow Dream Coat, Mazzani 25 Miracle Milk, Mazzani Nourishing Oil, Mazzani Shine Extender, and Gloss. All right, hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, welcome. So, what we're going to talk about today is the best relaxer for natural hair. Now, this is my own personal opinion, and I want to talk about why I use the Affirm relaxer in the salon and what are the benefits and some of the reasons why I narrowed down to that relaxer to be the one I consider the best relaxer to go from natural to chemically straight hair. So let's get into it. A firm relaxer is a conditioner relaxer system. What I love so much about the firm relaxer system is the feel of the hair. After the relaxer is placed on the hair, it feels so soft and so smooth. This system definitely helps open up the cuticles to allow you to deposit in conditioner after the relaxer service has been done, leaving you with hydrated hair. The Firm Conditioner Relaxer System conditions the hair during and after the relaxer process, leaving you with feel good, soft hair, and radiant look. One of the things I love so much about the Firm Relaxer is the different systems. Every system depends on your overall care and needs. The Firm Sensitive System is the system I utilize in the salon. Sensitive scalp is the most common for me and my clientele. It is very gentle to the hair, it conditions the hair, and it retains up to 81% of the fiber and elasticity of the hair, keeping the hair overall healthy. Now, the Fiber Guard is the second relaxer system. This relaxer system focuses on the strength of the hair. The Fiber Guard keeps up to 81% strength of the hair, leaving the hair feeling strong and healthy. The ideal customer for the Fiber Guard would be color treated hair or damaged hair. Now, please keep in mind, this is not the system I utilize in the salon. Please continue to do more of your own research and please go to a professional for all relaxer services. Other items that can be purchased to assist with the firm relaxer is the Gentle Assurance. This is the petroleum jelly. If you don't want to use the firm a Gentle Assurance, you can always use Vaseline. The Reconstructor, the conditioner, and the neutralizing shampoo. Now, if you look at my videos previously before, then you know I love to pair the firm relaxer with the Olaplex to repair the hair. But I always use the neutralizing shampoo to make sure I bring the pH balance back to 6.0. This is a healthy pH. And Affirm has its own neutralizing shampoo, and I highly suggest to purchase it. to keep the integrity of the hair. And I'm definitely a stylist that believes in sticking with the same brand. So if you haven't watched any of my other relaxer videos, take out the time to go watch those videos. It has great information in there, and also the overall look is fabulous. One of the other reasons why I am so in love with the Firm Relaxer because it's very adaptable to hair textures. Whether you have coarse hair, medium hair, or fine hair, with the Firm Relaxer, everyone gets the same incredible results. By the Affirm Relaxer, major focus always been the integrity, the elasticity, and the strength of the hair. It keeps you with the ability to keep the body, to keep the shine, and the health of the hair overall. With the Affirm Relaxer, it gives me the opportunity to introduce my natural hairstylist to the transition to have straight hair without losing out on most of the benefits you love about being natural. With a firm relaxer, after the system is placed on your head, it does leave you with a uniform look to very loose to almost straight. So now by making the transition from curly to straight hair, it does have its own benefits. It's easier to detangle, it's easier to see when your hair is dry, it's easier to shampoo and wash, it's easier to deep condition. It saves time on styling and maintaining your hair. And overall, depending on your lifestyle, it can be a major fit. So, these are the top reasons why I truly believe a firm relaxer is one of the best relaxers out there. If you are natural and you're thinking about getting a relaxer, like I say in all of my relaxer videos, please take the time out to research and go to a professional to get this service done. This is a chemical service and it can go wrong so quick, so fast. So you want to go to a professional that is very knowledgeable and also that has done it quite sometimes on multiple different people so you can get the best outcome. If you haven't watched any of my relaxer videos, then please do not stop right here. Go check out more of my videos. It definitely has a lot of education in those videos, and also it does have fabulous result outcomes. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys learned something. If you did, then please leave down in the comments what you learned. If you have any questions, then definitely please leave down in the comments your questions. I love to always respond to you guys. And thank you so much once again for watching this video. Please remember to drink your water for healthy hair, skin, and nails. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.